Welcome to an unusual episode of Take It Easy. You can see me in person. I'm at the Everything Electric London show, which I highly recommend. Any of the Everything Electric, but especially one this weekend in London. If you live in London, you can come and test drive plenty of amazing cars. The show's open from today, Wednesday, till Friday inclusive, and it's tenner. Kids come for free. So look at that. Gliding in the background. There's another one. I'm going to say something fantastic. So, if you have kids and you have nowhere to go on Friday and you live in London, kids come for free. There's plenty of activities for kids and you should be here. Excel Centre in London.